Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online class Ekalaiva. Social Studies, Class 4. Lesson 2, The Northern Mountains. The Himalayas. The Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Most peaks remain snow-covered throughout the year. The Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. It lies on the border between Nepal to China. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges or the Greater Himalaya or Himatri, the Middle Himalaya or Himachal, the Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Bachendri Pal is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. The northern region of India is mountainous region with snow-capped mountains and deep valleys. Many freshwater rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra originate in these mountains. The Himalayas remain covered with snow throughout the year. The northern mountainous region stretches from Jammu Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The region consists of several parallel mountain ranges running from the northwest to the northeast. The Union territories are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Two states are Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and Sikkim. The 7 states of sisters in India: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Mizoram. Mount Everest, the world's highest mountain peak, about 8,848 meters, is a part of the Himalayas and is located in Nepal. In Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters. The Greater Himalaya. The Greater Himalaya is the extreme north. It is the highest of the 3 ranges. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. Glaciers are found in these mountains. Many rivers such as Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra originates from these glaciers. Kanchenjunga is a very high peak in the range. The Middle Himalaya. The Middle Himalaya lies towards the south of the Great Himalaya. It is lower in the height than the Greater Himalaya. The mountain slopes are covered with thick forest of pine. Hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital, and Darjeeling. The Outer Himalaya. The Outer Himalaya is located south of the Middle Himalaya. It is the lowest in height. This range is covered with forest. Many wild animals are found in this forest. The Himalayan range stretches from 2,400 km. The Himalayan ranges are made up of three parallel ranges: Himatri, Himachal, and Shivalik hills. Himatri, the Greater Himalayas, Himatri, from the northernmost mountain ranges of India. So it is fully covered with snow, Mount Everest. It is the first highest mountain. Mount K2 is the second. Mount Kailash, Kanchenjunga, glaciers are huge blocks of ice that move very slowly down the mountains. Sechin Glacier, Gangotri Glacier, Yamunotri Glacier. Glaciers melt as they come down the mountains and fed water and rich slid to rivers. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Satluj. The extreme climate and snow in these mountain ranges does not allow any form of life to survive here. Mountaineers from across the world come here to climb some of the highest peaks in the world. These ranges, the Greater Himalayas, are the Himatri range. In some places, streams and rivers make narrow cuts in the northernmost. Himachal, the Middle Himalayas are the Himachal. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Scenic hill stations: Kulu, Manali, Shimla, Dalhousie, Mussoorie, and Srinagar. Dharmashala. So these are the tourist place. So they are cultivated here. Gagar and Ramghar are known as the fruit bowl of Kumano for the wide variety of fruits and dry fruits grown. Peaches, pears, apricots, plums, apples, and walnuts. Almonds. The outer Himalayas are the Shivalik Hills. The Shivalik Hills are the southernmost mountain range of the Himalayas. The word Shivalik literally means the tresses or thick hair of Lord Shiva. It stretches from 2,400 km. Shivalik hills have more hill than mountains, unlike the Himatri and the Himachal. People largely practice agricultural activities in this region. Terrace farming, cattle rearing. Shivalik Hills, the terrain region located around the foothills of the Himalayas, is known for agricultural product rice, corn, wheat, millet, and sugarcane. The slopes of the hills are covered with thick forest. Leopard, tiger, samhar, deer. Valleys are low areas surrounded by mountains or hills. Apples, pears, plums. The outer Himalayas are the Shivalik hills. Middle Himalaya, Don Valley, Gangra Valley, Kulu Valley, Kashmir Valley. The Kashmir Valley and Kulu Valley are popular tourist destinations. Karakoram Mountains. To the northwest of the Himalayas, beyond river Indus, lies the Karakoram Range. Mount Godwin Austen, K2, lies in this region. It is the second highest peak in the world after Mount Everest. Life in the region. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh lie in the Himalaya and the Karakoram Range. Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal and some part of Arunachal Pradesh are in the Himalayas. The main occupation of terrace farming, wood carving, sheep rearing. Jammu and Kashmir, famous for apple, orchards, saffron, their cultivation. Men and women wear a long woolen kurta. Ladakh, men and women wear a thick woolen robe. Men goncha, women kumtap. Double-humped camel is only found here in India. This is tourist place, Pangong Lake and Lake Palace. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its apple orchards. Men wear embroidered caps called kullu caps. Women wear scarves called dasu. There are celebrated some festivals, Kullu and Dussehra. Tourist place Shimla, Dalhousie and Manali. Uttarakhand is famous for basmati rice, lychees and plums. People wear woolen shawls, scarves and rugs. Tourist places Nainital, Mussoorie and Haridwar. Sikkim is famous for oranges, cardamom and orchids. Men and women wear a loose gown fastened at the waist called bahu. They also wear colorful jewelry. Tourist places Gangtok and Pelling. Purvanchal Hill Ranges. Purvanchal Hill Ranges are not very high. It is covered with thick forest. Life in the region. The Purvanchal Hill Ranges includes the northeastern states, namely the Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Arunachal Pradesh is famous for fruit orchards and orchids. Some people do wood carving, carpet weaving and make bamboo and can products. Tourist places Zero and Tawan. Nagaland, pottery making and farming, weaving are done here. The Nagas wear shawls of different designs. Tourist places Kohima and Dimapur. Mizoram. The traditional farming of Mizoram has now been replaced with fruits and rose cultivation. Some people make silk from silkworms. Important festival celebrated in March is Chapcharkut. Tripura, jute, rubber and bamboo are grown in Tripura. Bamboo is used to make handcraft. People most speak Bangla and Kokborak. Tourist places Agartala and Onnikoti. Meghalaya People of this state belong to the Gagro, Kashi and Jaintia tribes. Language, Kashi and Gagro. Festival, the Strawberry Festival. Tourist place, Shilla and Sirapunji. Thank you, students.